Hello, I'm Dr. Les Walkling and welcome to our studio and this introduction to our tutorial program. Our in-person tutorials provide ongoing support for our workshop and consultation attendees and are live streamed over Zoom every Sunday morning from our Melbourne studio, Australian Eastern Daylight or Australian Eastern Standard Time. They are a chance to catch up and clarify your understanding and application of our course material and answer all of your questions. And while every tutorial is devoted to one of our workshops, there are no restrictions on your participation, nor how many tutorials you can attend, and we welcome your questions at any time. Though to be fair, if you haven't attended that particular workshop, some of the tutorial's content may be difficult to follow, but the risk is surely worth it, because you never know where the next most important hint is coming from. And our workshop and consultation attendees receive our weekly email updates, including the Zoom login, password, and topics for the upcoming tutorial. Hopefully this has helped explain our tutorial program and how it is structured, its priorities, and our intentions, and we certainly look forward to catching up at another tutorial before too long.